In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover all your photos and videos from recently deleted file on iPhone. And before I continue, please subscribe. So what you want to do, go to Photos. Once you are here on the Photos, go back, go to your recently deleted, open it up, and at the top right click on Select, and then you would want to click Recover All, and then confirm it that you want to recover them all. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, please leave a comment. It helped me. I would appreciate it a lot. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.